Alright, got a package here today. This one's from ClarkPads. If you're familiar with who that is, you'll know what these are. But I want to do a quick unboxing. I'm using the Insta360 Go with the hat mount. So pretty convenient to make these quick little videos. So here we go. There they are. Yeah, that's sweet. This is like a rubbery TPU material. These just basically go on the side of your EUC. But I gotta represent, man. ClarkPads, they make a really cool product, but they're flexible. What you usually do is you'll put Velcro on your EUC and then stick these on there, and you can adjust them and stuff. So there's one for each side. All right, so here's my MCM5 down here, and this is the front. You can tell by the headlight. But basically you just put these ClarkPads here, and then your foot goes, you know, your leg goes here and your foot goes here. I know people in the EUC community knows what these are, but I have a lot of people in my community that don't have electric unicycles. So of course I went with red because I'm going with the black and red David brand new theme. I'm gonna have to remove these pieces right here. I've heard it's a real pain to get this stuff off. I have a heat gun and lots of sticker removal stuff, so I'll be able to get that off. No problem, but they look pretty sweet. Sorry about the lighting. I know that's probably not very good. Not a real good place to do this, but I'll see you guys soon. I just want to throw this quick video up for you to see what I just got in the mail. And I'm pretty excited. I can't wait till it warms up so I can ride that again. So that's my install of the ClarkPads. Basically you just stick your foot under there like so. Gives you more grip, gives you more stability, and more comfort. So if you want to see me ride with the ClarkPads and give my full review on them, stay tuned. I will be making a video all about it as soon as it warms up and the snow melts. So stay tuned. If you are interested in seeing more about the electric unicycle, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell for notifications to be turned on, and I'll see you in the next one.